John Nonis with Shuttleworth Incorporated. We're part of the Mach organization, and I wanted to show you today a little bit about Shuttleworth. It's been around for 50 years, and we're known for our slip torque conveyors. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about slip torque here at the Mach Expo show in Las Vegas. For 50 years, Shuttleworth has been producing great material handling systems for our customers, and today we're showing at the Mach booth the slip torque Shuttleworth system. It's a loose fit roller that you can accumulate and bumper the equipment on and pull together an entire system. So we'll walk you around and show you some of the interesting devices that we do also. The first device we'll be showing is our high-speed reject. It uses a vision system to pull the product apart, and after inspection, pull it and remove it from the system. The next device we'll be showing is our upstacker. We do a number of different types of upstackers, creating a pattern that can go to an operator to go into a case. Can also do it just before a shrink wrapper for a multi-pack. And just after it is our destacker. That's a very simple device to knock them back down to one lane for our system. The next device we'll be showing is our high-speed rotator. We'll be bringing the product in narrow edge leading and then kicking you out on the long edge afterwards. We use this a lot between cartoners and case packers where you need a small area to do a high-speed rotation of the orientation.
This is Orion Packaging Systems' new robotic quarter board applicator. We're taking and placing corner boards on the sides of pallets in order to strengthen the stacking direction of the pallet and allow for elimination of the normal corrugated material. The great thing about this application is we're applying the corner boards previous to the wrap zone, so we're not delaying any speed in a process. We get maximum throughput in processing this system. We're taking and using a foaming glue that does not stick to the product when the corner boards are removed. What allows us to do this prior to the wrap zone.
Good afternoon. My name is Greg Jacob. I'm General Manager of Allpac's Products, and would like to talk to you about what we're showing this year at Pack Expo. And it's a revolutionary agitation style for a retort process called Shaker. And the difference this year is the Shaker process, or the Shaker agitation, is now available in production size retorts. The Shaker process, due to its rigorous agitation, shaking product at 180 shakes per minute at a 6-inch stroke, at the end of the process you get a product, due to the minimized heat thermal burden on the product, higher quality, better texture, better color, better taste, better nutritional value, new products that can be introduced to the marketplace. The Shaker production machines are available in 1,300 and 1550 millimeter diameters, and we have units that are out in the market. So we'd love to talk to you about our Shaker process today. Thank you very much.
My name is John Smith. I'm Director of Sales for the iPack division of Wexar Packaging. The machine I'm standing in front of today is our RP100, relatively newly developed machine for us. It's been on the market for about 6 or 8 months. This machine was developed in response to customer demand for high volume users of RPCs, which are returnable plastic containers. The advantages are many. It's really being promoted as a green initiative, less use of materials, and sustainability friendly. With our particular machine, we're erecting the RPCs in various sizes at speeds up to about 25 a minute. We can accommodate a wide range of sizes. They're all typically a common footprint, which equates to 5 down on a standard GMA pallet. And size ranges, height ranges from about 3 inches up to about 9 inches on this machine. The changeover to do those is very simple. There's no changeover whatsoever in the hopper section. The only changeover is for basically a little bit of a width adjustment in the forming section. Process on this machine is very simple. We have 2 high-capacity hoppers that automatically feed a central hopper. The RPCs are dropped down from the central hopper onto a drive belt. The drive belt advances them into the primary forming section, which erects the sidewalls to a vertical position. The secondary process is a device that actually locks the locking tabs into position as the final part of the process. And from that point, they're ejected out of the machine. From there, they can either be manually or automatically discharged downstream, depending on the packer's capabilities. Advantages to the packer, for example, the first machine that we placed of this type allowed them to redeploy 4 employees. It had been a process where they had 5 employees manually erecting these full time. Now they have a single employee that is simply responsible for loading the magazines. Ballpark pricing for this machine, as it's equipped here, is $81,000. We have accessory pieces of machinery that can go along with it, such as automatic stackers, conveyors, things of that nature. Thank you for visiting our booth at PAC Expo Las Vegas 2011.